Hello! This is going to be a brief tutorial of how to record your PowerPoint presentation for submission to Shared Shelf. After you have finished creating your presentation, go to the Slideshow tab, which is located at the top of the screen. Once there, you will select Record Slideshow from the menu provided and select From the Beginning. Make sure that you are using the desktop version of PowerPoint, as this option may not be available on the online version. Choosing Record Slideshow will take you to this screen. There are multiple options to select from here. You can select to see any notes that you have made for your slides. These will not be visible in the recording that you submit to us. Of course, if you would prefer to use physical notes instead, that is completely up to you. Please turn off your computer's camera before you begin recording. This will help with file size issues that come with submitting it to us and us uploading it. And you should make sure that your microphone is on before you begin recording. Once you have selected to record, it will give you a short countdown before it begins. After it has begun, you may choose to pause the recording if you need to collect yourself, instead of leaving a long pause in your presentation. You may hit the space bar to change slides, or click the mouse. It is up to you. Just be aware that some of the sound caused by this may make it into the audio of the presentation. Once you have finished your presentation, select Stop from the options at the top of the screen. After you have finished recording, make sure to watch your presentation to make sure that you are pleased with how everything went. This can be achieved by selecting Replay from the top menu. Before recording your entire presentation, we advise that you do a test run, only recording your first slide and replaying it to see if there were any issues with the audio or video. If you are not happy with how the presentation went, you can select to delete the recording of one or all slides from the Clear menu. Since you are recording your presentation to submit, you can record it as many times as you would like before submitting your final version to us. If you experienced any audio quality issues, make sure to check which devices PowerPoint is using from the Settings menu. Once you're pleased with your recording, press Escape on your keyboard to exit the recording session. Then select File from the menu at the top of the screen. From this menu, select Export. Select Create a Video from the given options. From here, you will select Use Recorded Timings and Narration from the drop-down menu and click Create Video. Make any changes that you would like to the title of your presentation. It should include your name, and select Windows Media Player as the file type. Once you have selected to save your video, a progress bar will appear at the bottom of the screen indicating how much longer the video has to be completed. Do not exit out of PowerPoint before this is complete. Thank you for your interest in participating in our Student Symposium. We look forward to hearing your research.